Okay, Rick, y'all.
Halloween style.
Nope.
What? Hey, come here. Come on. Come on.
This is Darth Vader. Back to you, Bob.
It is pointless to resist, my son.
Lay down. Woody. Woody!
If you only knew the power of the dark side.
Tough nubs. If you had opposable thumbs, maybe this would work. Maybe your plan would work. But your plan doesn't work. We gotta put you up. We're dressing you up, Bodie. And there's nothing you can do about it.
And this is Bodie, the wiener dog. Well, he's not a wiener dog. We're dressing him up as a hot dog.
Okay. Burke, actually take a picture.